Hello guys, today I'm going to show you some methods that you can use to fix the account authorization error in Throne and Liberty. So the first method would be to close your Steam. So you'll have to exit your Steam, and from the taskbar itself, if you have it Steam running, right click on it and then quit Steam or exit Steam. Then what you'll have to do is you'll have to go to your Steam shortcut, right click on it, and then you'll have to press open file location. So this would be your file location for Steam application. Right click on the exe file, go to properties and then go to compatibility. So from here you will have to untick run this program in compatibility mode, and also untick the run this program as administrator as well. After you untick, press apply and then press OK, and launch Steam and try to run the game Throne and Liberty and see if it works or not. So if it doesn't work, what you can do is you can do two other method. You'll have to open Steam. So after opening, find Throne and Liberty, right click on it, go to properties, and then you'll have to go to install files and press this verify integrity of the game files. So what it will do is it will verify the integrity of the files, and if is there any bugs or corrupted files, it will fix it already. So after that you can go to updates as well and look for any updates that is available but you haven't downloaded yet. If there are any updates, please update the game and try to see if the error is fixed or not. So after that, what you can do is you can also flush your DNS, and to do that open your command prompt and then open it by typing cmd. As you can see, command prompt is here. Right click on it, run as administrator, and then you'll have to type in ipconfig / flush DNS and then press enter. So after flushing your DNS, what you can do is you can manually put your DNS as well. So to do that, go to your control panel, and then from here you'll go to network and internet, and then network and sharing center. So after that you'll see your internet type here. If you have Wi-Fi, it will be Wi-Fi in place of Ethernet. Press on that, go to properties, and then from here you'll have to select internet protocol and version 4, which is IPv4. Press on properties, and then you'll have to tick this use the following DNS server address, and then you'll have to write 8888 in the preferred DNS server and 8844 on the alternative DNS server. Press OK and save this setting. And what you can do for safekeeping is restart your device, restart your desktop or PC, and log into your Steam, and hopefully your issue will be solved. So that was all for today guys. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.